go over Jay. I overjumped it. You can just leave my phone there. Okay. Yeah, right now we're just trying to get the thumbnail dropping. I'm trying to get a good thumbnail for the video. Because, you know, I haven't recorded in a while. My last thumbnail was all screwed up because I didn't take it on landscape, so it's in portrait. So yeah, also my first time using the GoPro in a while. Yeah, we've just been out here doing dirt jumps. I just started recording us doing downtown stuff. So it'll be fun, some little urban riding. We did it yesterday. I'm just trying to get into it, so my skills on it are not that, you know, great. So that's why it's not on here. Other stuff is fine. Yeah. I go one more time. I know, it's this one specifically I do it on.
This is this one, and then left for the other ones.
I got two different angles.
You're like pushing the bike forward.
What do you think? This one or this one? I could put like this and like edit like, uh-oh, like went wrong.
You're on this click
Clickbait a video and then get a video of me laying on the ground. I can't get a video right.
No, walk through spider web. It's like flipping. It's not. Doesn't feel like spider web.
Yeah.
I walk through it and it kept going with it. I feel tension from the spider web.
Do you want to get a GoPro view of you jumping? Just wear my helmet.
No, not really.
Well, what size head you got? What size helmet?
Like a large or something.
Oh, I'm a medium, bro. You want me to wear this helmet?
I don't think you want me to, but my head's a little sweaty.
My dad's wore this helmet before.
And you guys sweat a lot.
I'm gonna tell you this right now. I'm never letting Bill Perry wear my helmet. Huh? Bill Perry? Dude, he was a waterfall. I mean, straight up a waterfall. And he took the time he took his helmet off. Even though he had a bald head, he sweated like he had hair. Yeah, and his little, like, you know those, like, the sweatbands people wear? He would grab that thing and twist it, and it's like he could fill up a water bottle with it.
Ball for a reason, right?
I know. How you get those electrolytes back in? Oh, that's so tough, man. Oh, you're so tough, man. That's so tough, man. I love it. I love it. That's tough as shit, man. You're hungry? What are you gonna go eat? What do you want to go eat?
I don't know. We can get like Chinese or something.
That's fine.
Get some carbohydrates.
We should go to a, you know that place, we make the ramen bowl?
What?
Place we go pick up and make that ramen bowl? Over by the Chipotle, by Crunch. Lucky Pot type place.
I don't know that.
I don't know how much it is though, since you're on a budget. Dude, I got a notification someone's trying to log into my shop account.
Strava account?
No, shop. I have no card information on there, not even an email or phone number on there. I went to my account and I saw like I don't have an account number, like a phone number attached to the account. So I was like, oh, this is a scam. Someone trying to make me lose money. I don't like it. The third one I feel like should be like a longer jump, you know?
It's made more for like height, I think.
It's made for tricks. It's made for whipping.
Yeah. I get HIV, hepatitis C, lice.
I'm gonna hand the camera off to him. You're not gonna get lice. How are you gonna get lice?
Look at you, bro. You bald for a reason. Yeah, put this thing on, bro.
Ow, that hurts. Why is your helmet? Dude, where's your padding, bro?
Look at the padding in it. It's got like 2 little strips of it.
Dude. Oh, this is the helmet my dad had. My dad has the same exact helmet. You're still recording, too.
You just recorded your crotch.
I don't care. I do care because it's usually not for free.
Okay,
Put the chin strap on. It's gonna be good. It's gonna be past your Adam's
try
apple.
That one.
Huh?
Try that one.
Oh, the movement. Dude, I could take my whole thing. Your helmet is heavy.
Oh, we just fucking GoPro on it.
The back feels heavy too. Oh my gosh. Golly, I suck. Dude, did you watch that? That was awful. That was awful, bro. Let me do that again.
Hold on, stop for a second. Stop for a second. What I'm gonna do? I want to see what you're doing. I'm gonna get your POV from my phone real fast. Just to see how
Dude, those last two are awful.
No, I could see you, dude. You cased the third one, then you went to the second one, and you were over the right. All right.
I usually jump to the right on that one, but I don't usually get thrown like that. All right, sometimes.
Can I not view the footage right now? It's not letting me.
This don't get so heavy.
I mean, just send it, bro. I can't. It won't let me connect and view you. Just go send it. Don't wreck me.
Let me chillax. There we go. Holy, out of control. Huh? Try to flex on you on your own video.
That's me.
One more run.
Yeah, one more run. Yeah.
Full of monkey up there. Shout out Little Mike's MTB.
Little Mason MTV. Ooh, you gotta go, bro.
Mason Peacock, all platforms.
You just got Instagram with your 3 followers.
12.
I gained 90 followers overnight because I know people.
You have like, yeah, because you follow like 300 people.
I follow like 1,000. I think I follow like 1,300 people on my main Instagram account. It's like insane. It's so heavy.
This one?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think it's for the GoPro.
Dude, the back feels heavy too, not even the front.
I know.
Can you hand me mine?
Yeah. You ready to head out since you get you? We can go sit by the truck real fast and go look at the footage.
Masturbate.
Yeah, once I get home, I'm gonna upload these to my computer and I can edit and upload. Put my helmet on. Stop recording. So I'll hit one more run, and then I'll stop recording.
The one run you crash on. One more run.
That's
Hey, one more run.
my last run of my life. Michael Smith, paralyzed for the rest of his life from his waist down.
No, not waist down, flip it neck down.
Dude.
All I can do
If
is,
I'm gonna tell you this, if I get paralyzed, please kill me. I'm gonna run. I'm gonna run. And into the parking lot. Wait, hold on. You wanna see me wheelie? You wanna see me wheelie? Oh. I gotta get my views back, you know?
been out.
You see that wheelie? Hey, stop stealing my views, bro. Oh, I hit my front fork. It hit something. Make sure to subscribe. Hit that like button. Hit that post notification bell. What you laughing at, cuh?
Hit that bell.
Yeah, hit the bell. I need it.